In this video, I'll show you how to add fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced using the new interface, so long-term purchases like equipment, vehicles, or furniture are tracked cleanly for reporting and depreciation. Start from the left menu and open Advanced Accounting, then choose the Fixed Assets tab to view what's already on file. Click Add an asset for a single item, or add multiple assets if you're entering a batch purchased around the same time. In the asset form, enter a clear name and description, then add the purchase price, including any costs needed to get it ready for use like shipping or installation if applicable. Enter the purchase date and set the depreciation start date, which is usually when the asset is placed in service. Choose the depreciation method your business uses, enter the useful life, and add a salvage value if you expect any remaining value at the end. Carefully map the correct accounts for the asset, accumulated depreciation, and depreciation expense so your balance sheet and profit and loss stay accurate. If you're not ready to finalize, save as draft so it won't affect your books yet. Subscribe for more QuickBooks Advanced walkthroughs made simple.